It's August 21st, 2025. I didn't really have much to vlog about today. I didn't have a lot going on. I started off my morning doing my regular routine, and the mood was just kind of not there, and I didn't necessarily want to force anything. I started thinking about where I could take you, and it just became something else. I was thinking to myself, what could I really talk about? And I guess I want to talk to you about making videos. In the last 21 days, I've made a video every day. And I think progressively, every day has gotten a little bit better. I've gotten a little bit more proficient. I feel like even with the edits, I've been able to do a little bit more complex edits, a lot easier. And it's only because of practice. If you're trying to create videos and you're at home and you're thinking, this is just so difficult, I would tell you it becomes easier the more you make. I think when I look back at my archive, 50 videos ago, I could see why they were crappy. And I think this video, hopefully, it's a little bit better. My logic is correct. You just keep on making videos and hopefully working on something, getting better and better every single time. So by the time that you do make a video, your videos just come out better, and it didn't require as much work as it once did when you were just a rookie. And the only way you can do that is by putting the hours in, doing the reps, pressing record. So if you're struggling and you're trying to figure out how to do all this, I would just tell you, press record, give yourself a chance, and just keep on doing it. And eventually it'll get better. People will start to notice. And I'm sure you'll become a better storyteller. And I'm sure your numbers will just go up. Everyone will be happy. You'll be happy. Your friends will be happy. Google advertisers will be happy. You could basically save the planet the more videos you make. You just got to make sure you keep on doing it. So thank you guys so much. I'm at my daughter's school. I'm about to pick her up. And hopefully she's nice to me. Because sometimes when I drop her off, she doesn't even say bye. Kind of hurts my feelings. So I'll see you tomorrow. I appreciate you. Go make a video. Save the world. But now I'm recording you.
Okay, cool. I'm missing my part.